Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on the Yuzu Emulator. We'll cover everything from setting up the emulator to optimizing your gameplay for a smooth experience. It's important to remember that you should always own the games you emulate legally. A powerful computer with a strong processor and dedicated graphics card is essential for an enjoyable experience with these fantastic titles. First, download the Yuzu emulator from its official source to ensure you have the most up-to-date version. Next, you will need to install the required product keys and firmware files, which are crucial for game compatibility. Take some time to configure your graphics and input settings, perhaps setting your resolution to 100%. Finally, ensure Yuzu is allocated enough of your computer's memory and processing power for the best results. Once Yuzu is set up, you'll need to obtain your Pokémon Scarlet or Violet game files. Remember, these should always be acquired legally from a game you own. These game files are commonly found in either NSP or XCI formats. After placing them in a designated folder, simply add that game directory to Yuzu's game list. Then, with a quick double-click on the game title, you can launch your adventure. To ensure the best experience, regularly update your Yuzu emulator. Developers frequently release performance enhancements. Don't hesitate to experiment with different graphics backend settings, such as Vulkan or OpenGL, to see which performs best on your system. Adjusting the resolution scaling can also significantly impact both visual quality and frame rate. If you encounter any issues, online communities are a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.